Hello guys, Dennis here again. Welcome to Barista Experience YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about basic latte art pouring. In order to pour a nice latte art, there are a few criteria for you to follow. Symmetrical, identifiable shape, nice, smooth milk texture, and last but not least, you have to pour your latte art in a full cup. Today we're going to use a 1:1 brew ratio, that is ristretto, to make our milk coffee. We strongly believe that it's much more concentrated and much more higher in contrast. In terms of taste, it's much more sweeter. To hold a pouring latte art pitcher, so I'll use a small pitcher to pour some basic latte art. I'll hold it this way. My dominant hand is right hand. I'll hold this way. Now if you can put in like 4 fingers in, it's up to you. But I can't because the rule here is do not contact from your fingers towards the hot pitcher. Now let's talk about how to hold a cup on your hand. So I will use my non-dominant hand to hold it with the ear pointed at 6 o'clock. So that my right hand will pour from this way into this way. Remember, the criteria is to pour a symmetrical latte art so that it will facing a right-handed person. For the pouring posture, I will hold the set of my cup and my pitcher just below the chest line. So I'll hold this way and pour this way. Now, in order to pour a heart shape, you have 4 steps. The first step is what I call a mixing. So what I'll do pour in some little bit of coffee, then I pour left and right like so. Then the next step, I call it landing. This is where the spout of the pitcher needs to touch or closest towards the surface. So I'll leave like about 2 cm away from the cup lid and pour fast flow. The last step, I call it lift up. So the lift up, I'll do something like this, about 5 cm away from the surface. The very final step, I call it cut through. So what I'll do, I'll lift up right after I lift up, immediately I have to move forward and cut through and generate the tail of the heart shape and make sure the cup is filled up. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.